the more seriously injured you are, the higher the value of your case. The less seriously injured you are, the lower the value of your case. Hi, I'm attorney Tim Miley of the Miley Legal Group. If you've been injured, you are probably wondering what your case is worth. And my response to anyone who asks me that question, I don't know, because each and every injury case is different. But there are some factors that influence the value of your case. And some of those factors influence the value in terms of making the value higher, and other factors influence your case or the value of your case in such a way that the value is lower. And let me go through some of those factors that influence the value of an injury case. First, the most important factor that influences the value of a case, or that determines the value of a case, is the nature and severity of your injury. In other words, how seriously injured are you? Obviously, the more seriously injured you are, the higher the value of your case. The less seriously injured you are, the lower the value of your case. Now, some people believe the myth that exists out there today that the value of your case is 3 times whatever your medical expenses are. That's simply not true, because each and every case is different. We've had many cases where someone's medical bills may have been $10,000 and the settlement for their case may have been $100,000 to $150,000. We've had other cases where someone's medical expenses might be $10,000 and the settlement of their injury case might only be $20,000. The problem is, I can't sit here and tell you about your case unless you contact me with the facts. If you do that, I will be in a better position to help you determine the value of your case. Another factor that influences the value of your case, up or down, is the permanency of injuries. Have you fully recovered, or have you not fully recovered and are left with permanent disabling conditions? Obviously, if you have permanency in your injuries, your case will have a higher value than it would if you have fully recovered. Don't get me wrong, fully recovering from your injuries is not a bad thing. In fact, it's a great thing. But because you have fully recovered, the value of your claim will have a certain limit. I hope I've helped answer your question. As I mentioned earlier, that the value of your case will depend totally on the facts of your specific case. Contact me, and I hope to be able to help answer your question.